YouTube. We're going to do another EDC pocket dump today. And to start, let's start with wrists again. Say my watch, Seiko, on one of the Meritech NATO watch bands. The other wrist, we have a paracord bracelet. In the front shirt pocket, we have Parker Jotter with the Fisher Space Pen refill. I have the stainless steel Sharpie. I'm moving to the waist. Firearm today, Glock 19, primary firearm. Let's see, it's in the waistband holster, and 2 spare magazines. And let's see, go to the back right pocket. I have my multi-tool. This is the Leatherman Juice S2. Go to the left back pocket, a little moleskin notebook and bandana. My secondary knife, which is in the back left pocket, Benchmade Pika 2. Okay. We go to the left front pocket. Flashlight still, the Stylus Pro Phoenix LDO1. That's the Stylus, the Streamlight Stylus Pro with the Phoenix head. And then backup firearm, the Ruger LCP, extra magazine. We go to the left front pocket. We have a mini Bic lighter with some electrical tape. And my wallet, the Spyderco Cricut money clip, and the Fisher Space Pen. Okay. Primary EDC knife, the Zero Tolerance 0350. We go in the little watch pocket, carry the people-friendly knife, which is the Buck toothpick. And then keys. Pretty much the same. Car keys, other keys. P lighter, mini pry bar. What I changed is I got a little pill fob from, you see that, EDC Depot. I can't see it. I use it for a cash stash, $20 bill. Same pen, and I changed the knife, Spyderco Ladybug. And the light, just a little coin cell light from Lighthound. Let's see. Oh. Also EDC, my prescription glasses, which are Oakley. and of course the phone, iPhone 4, which I'm using to record the video. Alright, thank you.